how to send crypto from your Metamask wallet to Phantom wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you would require a bridge, and I will add the link for this bridge in our description. You can simply click on that, and after that connect your Metamask wallet as well as your Phantom wallet. Then under the From section, simply select the network on the Metamask from where you want to send the crypto. In this video we will take the example of base and simply select base, and on the to side we will simply select Solana, as the Phantom wallet works on Solana network. After that, suppose we want to send USDC from Metamask on base network to the Solana network on Phantom wallet, so we will simply select USDC over here. After that, type the amount of USDC that you want to send, then click on this option of send, and this way you would be able to send USDC from Metamask to Phantom wallet. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.